So today I am talking about something that is a little bit uncomfortable for me. I have decided that I am going to go with Straight Teeth Direct and get some braces. A lot of my friends have said to me, why are you doing this? Your smile's fine, whatever. I know I am 31, going to be 32 very soon, and I think I've been happy with my smile. But as you can see, this is very, very awkward for me, so just bear with me. But a bit of a wonky teeth here and wonky bottoms. So I decided to make the move to stop being self-conscious and actually get some braces. And today is a very special day for me because I have my liners. So I'm going to keep documenting my journey. I'm still very nervous about the idea, the pain, the feel. Is it going to be me still at the end of it? But I thought you guys should see what it's like, and I'll talk you through. So tonight's going to be my first night. Today I just sent my photos off with the liners in. God, even in this video I can see how wonky my teeth are. It's really horrible. So hopefully I don't feel like that anymore, and I can actually have smiles and I can talk on camera and I don't feel weird about it. So here's to a great smile. So this is the first day of my inliners being officially in. As you can see, you might not be able to see. They're actually amazing. They fit like a glove. I have a tiny bit of a lisp, but not really. And they actually look pretty darn good. They're actually making my teeth look whiter as well, which is always a bonus. A little bit sore, especially if I push them a little bit. But yeah, we're getting there. And yeah, I'm quite impressed so far. So I'm a few months into my Straight Teeth Direct, and I keep getting asked the same questions. Namely, why did I pick Straight Teeth Direct? So I guess for me, the main thing was, although my teeth really annoyed me, it wasn't enough to warrant the huge price tag that comes with like Invisalign or anything like that. So cost was a big thing. Also, my favourite thing about them is the fact that I didn't have to wait around to go to a dentist or wait for appointments. I could just click and order them, and they were here so soon. In terms of how they feel as well, I mean, you can't really see that I even have anything in there, which is awesome. Sometimes I have a bit of a lisp, but for the most part, you know, I sound normal. Actually, my teeth kind of feel naked when I don't have them in anymore. Thank you, Straight Teeth Direct. So since my last video, a lot of people have been asking, does it work? So I'm not all the way through my treatment, but I wanted to give an update. So these are my front teeth, and these are my bottom teeth. So you can already see there's a bit of a difference. I've still got a bit to go, but I can definitely tell here that is a lot straighter and at the top. So watch this space.